Elijah had just seen fire fall from heaven and the prophets of Baal defeated. Yet, in the very next chapter, fear and despair consumed him. When Queen Jezebel threatened his life, Elijah ran into the wilderness, sat under a tree, and prayed, "Lord, I have had enough. Take my life." Even a prophet of God felt so broken he wanted to give up. But God didn't rebuke him, he renewed him. An angel touched Elijah and said, "Get up and eat." Twice, God provided food and water until Elijah was strong enough to journey 40 days to Mount Horeb. There, in a cave, Elijah waited for God. Wind tore through the mountains. An earthquake shook the ground. Fire blazed. But the Lord was not in them. Then came a gentle whisper, and Elijah knew God was near. The lesson, even in despair, God meets us with rest, provision, and presence. He doesn't abandon the weary, he restores them. Like Elijah, your journey may feel overwhelming, but God's whisper is still enough to carry you forward.